live in has never been more industrialized with numerous inventions, innovations, and technologies.
Everyone has a purpose in their lives, and each individual has their own specific values. People are getting more well-educated as they keep on striving for what is best for this world. Or is it just for the sake of mankind's guilty pleasure? I can never be too sure.
Even with the new tech, some problems are just inevitable to avoid, just like climate change that keeps on drowning the land.
Countries with corrupt governments,
as well as underestimation of mental and psychological well-being that has increased over the past years.
Many people throughout the world is affected by mental health such as stress, depression, and anxiety, and this will definitely take a toll on their lives in the short term or long term.
The presence and effect of stress has really become a major problem in societies.
It has been linked to a number of physical, emotional, and natural environment. Albeit, everything still remains in question of whether nature can really help to reduce stress specifically.
However, there were some studies that have been conducted to find the connection of nature with stress,
such as effectivity of brain space density, or simply walking in nature alone or with groups.
Regardless, the results show that people who are more exposed to nature are prone to have positive impact and a healthier mental well-being.
We surround ourselves with all the things you have built, like houses,
computers,
smartphones, and such,
in which may have taken all the intention we needed to spend time with nature.
We neglect these little things that can be a huge impact to oneself's improvement.
Because we tend to overlook all these little changes that are happening around us, which in the end creates the bigger picture. Our lives are much more valuable to us, more than we think we know.
And landscape plays a big part in reducing our stress level.
By planning our usage of land with combination of nature and modern architecture,
may be beneficial for the people of today. From this, we can create less impact on ourselves.
Nonetheless, stress can either bring us benefit or otherwise, affecting our minds and health.
It can be helpful in the short term, but bring us sorrow in the long run, falling deeper into depression and anxiety.
Interfering with life management, such as losing attention to what really matters in work,
family, and health. The only thing that matters
is how you are going to handle if it comes in your way. Hence, the most effective way to reduce our stress is all around us,
inside out,
and it's nature.
The more we look at it, the more relaxed we feel. Supporting one another by spending more time in open green space will for sure benefit everyone. So, let us save the world